Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on AGI or Delysium. Depends on what you want to call it. The crypto is named AGI. The project is called Delysium. But had to make a video on that. All right. I've already seen this for the last. Well, I'm not even sure how long, but I've already seen this for the last basically 10 days, I would say, since it really started popping off. I'm a holder of this coin. All right. I bought all the way back in November, right here around 3 cents, I would say. So I've held this for a very long time, and I'm now up 10x, which is great. But I didn't make a video about it earlier because the volume was still quite low, and right now what you're seeing is that the volume is getting higher and higher. Delysium, I mean, I think it's a great project. I mean, it only has, or the market cap right now is almost 200 million. That's quite crazy. It was way lower earlier, as you might expect. It was first around 100 million. It was first below 100 million. But I still think this has a lot of potential fundamentally. Now, this price action itself, and I know I'm a holder, so I am bullish on this, and I might be biased, but this is manipulated. All right, there's nothing else I can say. The thing is that even though this is manipulated, that's not bullish nor bearish. All right, this could still go much higher, because fundamentally it deserves that, I would say. AGI as a ticker is amazing. And apart from that, it's also not listed on that many major exchanges, even though right now the volume is getting very, very high. All right, so what happens if the volume is getting very, very high, especially also on perpetual futures, where the volume right now is over $130 million. What happens then is that it gets interesting for Bybit futures to list it. And that would actually cause much more bullish momentum. And we also saw that the funding rate for AGI sometimes can actually get very low, which is also bullish. So at this moment, I am still bullish on AGI, right? We're getting towards a very strong resistance level between 30 and 33 cents. My general idea is still that we're going to get a big crash at some point of time. But whether it's right now or not, I don't know. In the end, it could be from 30 to 33 cents. But what I usually say with cryptos like these is they will be bullish until they're not. All right. And what I mean with that is that what you should look at, for example, is at the daily time frame when we break down below the 8 EMA. That could be a good sign that it's over and that we'll have a big crash. But just in general, a bearish breakout is what we're looking for. All right. So right now, our main support level, I would say, is between 22.5 cents and 25 cents. Like I said, purely technically, AGI is still very bullish. I think fundamentally it also still is bullish. The one thing, and then if we look at, for example, open interest, that is also still rapidly going up with the CVD being pretty neutral. So I have no reason to believe right now that we will not get up to that resistance level. And from there, we'll have to see, all right? I do expect resistance from 30 to 33 cents. But if from that resistance we're able to hold 27.5 or 25 cents as a support, we'll probably rally up higher towards 40 cents afterwards. And this is still the most likely scenario at this moment, I think. All right. Based on what we're seeing right now. That's just always the case when you see a crypto rallying like this. You should always assume it's going to stay bullish. Now, if from this resistance level you see the open interest dropping down very hard, and you see AGI dropping down below 25 and 22.5 cents, then it's over, all right? But until that happens, it's still bullish, and it's still most likely it's going to rally up higher. So should you buy this right now? Probably not. It has already rallied a lot, and it is very much manipulated. But then again, like I said, the potential is here. It's up 500% in the last month. If it gets some sort of a big listing, it will rally another 100% probably from here, or that's possible at least. So keep an eye on that, all right? It's risky to trade this, but in my eyes, it still looks very bullish. So those are my thoughts. I think that's what you need to know for now. Now, if you still do have any other questions, though, let me know down in the comments. I'll try to get to them as soon as possible. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.